open any browsers to type like that, and first URL type, you can see asus.com, just click on it. Then this is your laptop, just click on it. After that, click on support, then click on driver, select OS, slow down, install all your Dolby sound. In the software utility, scroll down, you can see Dolby driver, and click to download, and it is start downloading in a downloads box. It's completed, then just single click to open. Yeah, it is completed, just open it, and then click on yes. Then if you want to change language, otherwise just click to OK, then next, I accept the agreement, then next, install, next, installed. Now this is driver is installing, it will take some time, depend. Yeah, so it is completed, then restart your system.